sun was out about 15 minutes ago. Classic lake effect. If this was winter, this would constitute a major snowstorm, even a whiteout, such that they get a lot near Buffalo, New York, and Ashtabula, Ohio, sometimes here. It's really coming down. Took the day off. I did get some stuff done. It might probably too much rain to work, but this is just to illustrate. This is what lake effect can do. So it might be a washout, but I'm glad I took the day off. I did get a lot of that compacted soil loosened up. It was still bone dry, even though we got a good rain last night. And now it's going to be too wet to work with, so this is just to illustrate what you can get with lake effect precipitation.